What's happening, guys? It's your boy Crypto Trojan. Well. Trust the process. Exactly 2 days ago, what did I tell you guys? What am I seeing on the chart? The technical analysis showed that we were in a left shoulder head and right shoulder pattern. And guess what? What did we do? We pumped beautifully. Currently, Bitcoin is sitting at $65,000. Why? Yes, my technical analysis showed that we're going up. However, what was the reason that we went up today? It's because of the CPI data that was released in the US. What it showed that inflation was 0.1% lower than anticipated, which was 0.3%, which means there's going to be less interest hike in the future. So what did the market do? The market blew up a beautiful green fucking candle. That's exactly what we did. Right, so going at the channel, okay, looking at the parallel line, what did I say to you guys? We were bouncing off the middle. We went down 2 days ago. Sorry about that, guys. We went down 2 days ago. Everyone was bearish and thinking that we're going to invalidate this pattern. But the fundamental in the analysis showed today that Bitcoin is back. Okay, so right now the bulls are in charge. What we can do, we might see another retest to $62,743. That could be a beautiful position long where you can fill your orders if you haven't done so. Okay, so that could be a good position to go in. However, if you already started pumping, just trust the process. Don't go crazy leverage long if you don't know what you're doing. Just make sure you're in this bull market. Okay, and never ever try to short a bull market because you'll always get fucked. All right, so what I wanted to show you guys 2 days ago, we showed you, sorry, that's the wrong chart. Yep. That's our head and shoulders pattern, the technical target for this move. Okay, let me show you guys. It's gonna be here around 72,000. And like I always say, it's all about liquidity. I've been banging on about liquidity for the last 2 weeks, and I said the liquidity is sitting at 67,000, so it is inevitable that we will be coming to these areas and sucking up this liquidity. Now we're looking like we're going to be going there. There could be a bit of a rejection coming back down, using 65,000 as a support and breaking off this range. Okay, and like I've been saying 2 days ago, the technical target for this parallel line is around $90,000. Okay, guys, so Bitcoin is looking beautiful. We're ready to go off to the races. So what I wanted to show you guys, if you look at the news, the fundamental news, that Bitcoin went up today. The US CPI inflation data meets expectations. Bitcoin hit 64,000 in response. Data from Trading Economics show that much anticipated US CPI inflation data aligns with market expectations, declining slightly from previous prints. Headline inflation year over year came in at 3.4%, precisely as anticipated. Similarly, core inflation year over year matched forecasts, registering at 3.6%. While the monthly figures showed a slight deviation, the overall picture remains consistent with projections. The inflation rate month over month was at 0.3%, 0.1% lower than anticipated, expected. While core inflation month over month met expectations at 0.3%. Okay. So in response to this inflation data, which signaled a steady economic environment, Bitcoin reacted positively, hitting 64,000 before retracing slightly. Okay, so this is exactly what I've been telling you. The fundamentals pumped today's candle. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, okay, it was a beautiful candle and we had beautiful volume coming in. Okay, let me just the channel, and we're as we're speaking, look, Bitcoin is at 65,238. Your boy don't shy away. Like I told you, I'm in a trade. We're up £734. My entry is at 59,000. My liquidation's at 49,000. Do you think Bitcoin's going to go to 49,000? If it does, I've got motherfucking huge longs placed at 50k, 51k. I will not be losing this trade. I will take this. I will bury this to the ground if I need to. But it is very highly unlikely Bitcoin's going to go to 49,000. If it does, we're all fucked. However, don't worry, we're good. It's all about probability. There's nothing guaranteed in life. You're not even guaranteed to wake up tomorrow. Anyone who tells you, no YouTuber is giving you the guarantee if it's going up, it's going down. Even your boy Crypto Trojan, I can't predict the future. It's all about probabilities, looking at the chart, looking at technical analysis, listening to fundamental analysis, and making probabilities and going through via your thesis. And my thesis is always in the long term. I don't do day trading. I'm a swing trader / position trader. I will look at the bigger picture. I will go with low bets, low liquidity, low leverage, because I don't do this risky trade. Bitcoin cryptocurrency is highly volatile. You shouldn't be doing high leverage trades if you do not know what you're doing. And if you do know what you're doing, well done, congratulations. You're looking at the screen most of the time. I do not waste my time looking at the screen all day. I enjoy my time. Let me ask you guys a question. Is time limited or unlimited? And I'm sure the answer is limited. And is money limited or unlimited? And as you guys are aware, this life, the whole economic system of the whole world, it is a big bag fucking fugazi. Money is being printed left, right, center. They call it quantitative easing. It's just they turn the money printers on. So is money limited or unlimited? And yes, you got it right. Money is fucking unlimited. So why do you trade something that is limited, i.e. time, for something that is unlimited? It don't make any sense to me. Hence, I don't look at the screen all day long. My time is valuable. There's 24 hours in a day. I spend that time with my family, with my friends, and I spend my time enjoying life. And that's how it should be, to create beautiful memories. And this is what your boy here is going to teach you guys and make sure you guys understand. And you're going to walk through with me, and I'm going to hold you all the way. Okay, so what I wanted to show you was this. Okay.
So responsible investment, you have no choice, because the fiat money world and everything that's not Bitcoin is going to zero against Bitcoin. So if you're not in Bitcoin, whatever it is you're in is going to zero against Bitcoin. So if you buy Bitcoin today, in 5 years' time, your purchasing power against everything else, fiat money, gold, property, will be considerably better. So just look 5 years down the road. Do you want your purchasing power to be mathematically guaranteed to be higher? Or do you want your purchasing power to mathematically be lower, as it would be the case with fiat money and anything else that's not Bitcoin? So those are two pretty simple questions. And then you should start to build your Bitcoin portfolio and scale into it, or dollar cost average into it, or start to build your portfolio. And in 5 years, if you start to buy Bitcoin now, in 5 years' time, I would predict you'll be at a fucking money moment where you're not going to be chasing money. This fiat money chase is an endless hamster wheel of emotional roller coaster that is everything is forcing you to think like you need to keep going chasing this tail of the fiat money world. But once you get into Bitcoin, pretty quickly you start to realize it's unconfiscatable, it's inflation proof, it's mine, no one else can take it from me, and the purchasing power is going to go on forever. And I can listen. And Michael Saylor works for me, Larry Fink works for me. Like, those are my employees. But you turn on CNBC and Larry Fink's there talking about how great Bitcoin is. And 2 years ago he thought it was shit. Now he's like, oh, I believe in it. You're like, thank you, Larry. I'm up another 10%. Thanks to you, Larry. You're doing a good job, Larry.
Absolutely beautiful and correct. What Max Kaiser is saying is 100% right. What we'll do, I want to show you guys the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so what I wanted to show you guys is Bitcoin dominance. Okay, now if you guys see here, I've marked this line here at 60%. Okay, February, March 21. Okay, this is where, right, we started going down. Okay, now if you guys go to the charts, yeah, December 21, where were we? Yeah, November, December. Can you see? We started going down. Bitcoin dominance went high and we started going back down. So what this shows, the dominance, okay, I am predicting that we will be blasting off, like we've just gone out from this head and shoulders pattern. We could come back down, blah, blah, blah. We will go to around 60%. The moment we hit around 60%, this is going to be time to start selling a bit of your positions, take a bit of profit, and that's it. So if you see here, this is the zone to sell Bitcoin, and this is the zone to buy Bitcoin. So I'll show you on the charts here, okay? If you come here in November 2022, this was the zone to buy because Bitcoin was at 40%. So let's do this together. November 2022, right? We go to Bitcoin. Where was Bitcoin? November 2022. Sorry, there you go. Bitcoin was at its lowest, 15K. So it's all about understanding the Bitcoin dominance. When it's in these region here, this is the time you fucking buy. You don't get scared. You don't get bullied at the market. You don't listen to Tom, Dick, and Harry on the news. You start looking at analysis and you put your hand in your cojones and you press the buy button. Do you understand? So there will be resistance coming here. So we'll keep this. I'll inform you guys when that time is right. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Your boy Crypto Trojan. And yeah, someone sent me a beautiful email. Thank you very much. And you said to me, how high will this cycle go and when to exit? So in a nutshell, follow, subscribe, and like your boy, because I love every single one of you. I want every single one of you to do well. And I'm going to show you guys something which is a hidden secret. No one wants to show you guys. Okay. And I'm going to show you because I love every single one of you. All right. So the Fibonacci retracement. Yeah. This was the high in December 2017. Okay. You guys can see it yourself. Now, if you do a Fibonacci retracement to the lows here, okay, so even if you, for example, were into Bitcoin or you didn't have a clue what the fuck was going on, you came here, you bought at the Corona, sorry, that wasn't the COVID crash, this was the COVID crash, and you started buying here, you didn't have a clue. What tends to happen, okay, what tends to happen is as soon as we go to previous all-time high, which is here, okay, we start going to the moon, okay. However, At this moment in time, there's a lot of fugazi. The whole fucking world is bullish. Even your barbers, when he's cutting your hair, he's putting a bloody B sign, a Bitcoin sign on your hair, because all he can see and dream of is Bitcoin and money and Lambos. And the funny thing is, they don't know when to sell. Okay. However, if you do a bit of technical analysis, this, my friend, ladies and gentlemen, this is called price discovery. Okay. What happens? So let me show you. Yeah. And this is what smart money does. They look at these levels. They pump the market, all this retail comes into the market, goes to 42,000, comes back down. The smart money start laddering out because they think, what the fuck is going on? I became a millionaire. They start selling bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit, to a point where there's exhaustion. Boom, the market comes back down. But those people who start laddering out, they started putting beautiful buy orders here at the 1.618. Then they push the market back up, where your barber and the barber's barber now is starting to buy Bitcoin, and everyone's thinking, what the fuck is going on? Guess what? The smart money is now starting laddering out of the market at the 2.618. They start going out. Euphoria goes up. Boom, the market drops again. Smart money buys again. And boom, they fucking do it again. All the way to what? The 3618. Do you understand? This is why it's all about levels and understanding the levels. This was the actual bull market. Boom, we went back down. Some of the smart money bought back in. All your retail investors thought, what the fuck is going on? We're going to go over to the moon. And this was a retail push. And the smart money went back and slammed them back down. And boom, we went into a bear fucking market, right? And your crypto Trojan, what do you think we were doing? We were starting to buy a laddering here, okay? When the market was down, like I told you guys, when there's blood in the market, you be greedy and you scoop up all that juicy Bitcoin. Does that make sense? This is exactly what I've been doing, and boom, all right? So now that I showed you this, let me show you something else. So to my fellow subscriber who sent me this beautiful email, and I welcome every single one of you to send me emails, okay? Because I really appreciate every single one of you. Now, let's do the same thing here, okay? Now, where is Bitcoin going? Now, again, beautiful. The levels work out, the 0.5. There was consolidation. Boom, we went up. Okay, what did we do? Because of the ETF news, we just smashed through these levels, 0.786, and we've gone to now 1. Now, beautiful. Now, because we've consecutively been going up and up and up and up and up, yes, we need a bit of consolidation. We need a bit of pullback. Let the stochastic RSI reset at the top, which, as you guys can see here, yeah, we did. Fantastic. Now, let me tell you, where will we be selling? Now, we can be conservative. We can start selling here at 100k, but your boy Crypto Trojan will hold your hand and tell you when the time is right, because there's so many other hidden stuff that I haven't showed you guys, but I will. If you follow, subscribe, and like, and comment, and send me those beautiful emails. Now, the next target is going to be 156. At that time, your barber is going to be starting to buy Bitcoin, and he's going to see those dreams again. But guess what? The next level is at 200k. At this region, we will get the fuck out of the market. However, every YouTuber will say, we can go to 260, we can go to 500. Tell every single one of them to shut the fuck up, because we ain't going to go there. Well, we can if there's so much euphoria and there's fundamental analysis in the market, but your boy Trojan will tell you when to get out. So again, I love you guys. Peace.